So I'm currently in a trade right now. I took W WULF. Um, Honestly, this is just gonna be a scalp. I'm not gonna hold it for all the way down here. Um, the reason it's a scalp is because it's easy to borrow. I really don't want to mess with this thing. Um, since the first, second, and third target are all basically right in the same area, I plan on covering all at $7. Um, Saw it popping up. The reason I took it is because this is the pre-market high level. It has really low volume, but like I said, it's easy to borrow, which means that you don't have to locate the shares. You don't have to borrow the shares from your broker, and so you can get a lot of very eager shorts that are coming in. The other thing is when I took this trade, I wasn't just risking the high. What I said was I was going to risk over 740, so I'm risking roughly 7 cents. Um my average is 731, so I'll get 31 cents, 7 cents, 31. That's like a little over 4R. So and that's really how you want to do it. The other thing, the reason I'm recording this is because if you look at this thing, you know, I get in here, this thing starts popping up. You can start getting faked out. The thing to look about it is the volume. There really isn't a lot of volume, but this thing coming down here doing a fake breakdown of VWAP area, this could be a potential something I really don't want to deal with. But you start to look on the 5 minute. That's also the reason I love higher time frames, because it keeps me calm. For white candles, it's having a pullback. Thing is, I want this to break the 712 area. I want a nice solid crack. Um, you also look at the 15 minute, it's only been open for 5 minutes, but it's already selling off, a decent bit. There hasn't really been any buying pressure. It came up here and just got sold. I really don't like it holding the VWAP right here, but um, you know, that's just the thing. I just wanted to talk this through, like my thought process. But yeah, like I said, I'm holding for $7. Um, I'm really hoping this just fails and doesn't do like a little curl and scoop kind of shit. So we shall see. And this is what I normally do. I start going through it, seeing if I can start seeing any sort of patterns, any formations of anything. I start seeing this top right here. I'm hoping for is that it starts filling and just cracks. Yeah, this thing's bleeding hard. Five minutes, 690s. That was the biggest volume it's had so far. Is that sell off right there. Dun. Really didn't gap up that far. It's also at all-time highs. Don't like that. Mm, and just like that, I am done for the day. I could have held for the final target, but honestly, I'm not trying to be greedy. I really don't like the setup, and yeah, I'm just gonna nail and bell and call it a day. So hopefully you guys get something from this. Um, and yeah, later.